Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find Telegram channels that you have left. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is from here you're going to go to whatever channel that you might want, or the channel that you have already left. And you're going to remember just anything that resembles the same name. So for example here it's called Travani.rom. So once I leave it, I just remember that it mentions Travani. So from here all I have to do is to go on the Google Chrome right here, and then we're going to search for tgstat. Once you go there, you're going to see Telegram stat, and now from here it's going to show you this catalog, and all you have to do is to go to the search button. Now all you have to do is to make sure that you log in, because once you search for something it's going to tell you to sign in, so you can sign in with your Telegram account. Once you sign in with your Telegram account, it's going to have access to all your previously joined channels, and so it's going to remember everything that you have joined. So this is going to be the bot, and so from here as you can see the menu, you can authorize it, and now from here it's going to tell you to sign in and then open the website. Once you sign in and open the website, it's going to show you right here, and so from here you can search for whatever channel. So for example, if I search for Rome now, it's going to show me instantly the channel that I have joined, and as you can see it's going to pull up the one that I have joined recently, just like that. And once you click on it, it's going to redirect you to this channel, and you can find the channel name and everything about it and the statistics. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.